What's up, guys? What's going on? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're gonna do an install, but I have a pit crew today. It's gonna be these guys. They're gonna help me install. Enzo, say hi. Say hi.
I can.
Yeah, you're on camera this time.
Yeah. Guess what?
What?
I also made it a shirt. Tell me if you like my shirt from Minecraft.
That's a Minecraft shirt?
Yeah, that's just fire.
You made that?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 6 and then I'm gonna turn 7.
And then what's your name?
Annabelle Guzman. We're doing a vlog for your EVO.
What's up, you guys? We're on DGV today. We're just gonna install a cop kit on his EVO. And a cop kit technically is just like a coil unplugged for better spark. So it's a must-do part for the EVOs because it'll idle better. And my game's a 20 horsepower. It'll tune better, giving it a better spark. And performing better for the race event next month and in shift sector. So back here we have kill switch. So if like it crashes at the racetrack or something, we can just shut it off. And so right now that we're working on the EVO, you can't have like power to the engine. So we're gonna have to shut it off.
Huh? Enzo. You're gonna be in the vlog. You're on the vlog. We got a special package today. That is a cop kit.
It's like just opening a Christmas present.
What is it?
It is the cop kit. So I just technically just unwrapped the cop kit.
Is this exciting to see something like this?
Yeah.
Are you guys as excited as me?
I don't think I am.
Do you guys like going fast?
Yes.
This is a go fast part.
These are coils to like technically just make the car faster. And these are like refurbished coils. They come off of a Toyota, but they work very well though. So you can get like brand new ones. Now you have the plate and the wire like along with it though. So it makes it look nicer, cleaner, and it gives it a better ignition. We bought this from JD Custom Parts. It should be easy to install. Any questions, just comment down below.
Can you explain this part to us, Bella? What's going on? What have we got going on here with this part?
I think this is a charger for this one. This one connects to this one. And then I think, yeah, and then you connect it together.
Oh, you're onto something.
First thing you're gonna need is just a 3/8 ratchet, followed by a 10mm socket. So I took off the cover I took off 4 bolts, 10mm. Now you can just see the coil. You have 2 coils on the stock EVO 8 because it's an older version, and this is like a 2003. Now that we took off the cover, we're just gonna have to disconnect them, and we're gonna take more 10mm bolts off. I just took off the coils right now, and I'm just gonna take off the wire. So now I'm just gonna put on the coil kit on the valve cover. So yeah, let's just do this. So the kit came with 2 washers, 2 bolts, and a fuse. Yeah, these are the bolts because I know this is a washer. Okay guys, so we're pretty much done. I already bolted it in, and pretty much that's all that holds it down.
And
One at the end right here. Where's the oil cap? This is the JD Customs Hideaway coil kit.
on a scale from 1 to 10, how hard is it?
5.
So it's not that hard? What was the hardest thing?
When just taking these things
The bolts?
The bolts off.
Well, cool. I appreciate you. Good job and thank you. Guys, that's going to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed the install. I'll give you a quick overview. So, cop kit, You know, like I explained most of the video, we're installing it because it's a coil per plug versus the versus the 2 coil system with 2 wires. It's gonna give us a better ignition. It's just gonna run better. It's gonna perform better. It's gonna tune better. It's gonna idle better. Just better response, throttle response, and things like that. From what I hear, could gain up from 10 to 15, maybe 20 horsepower from what I see. So this is the JD Customs kit. These are refurbished coils, and they do come with the hideaway cable, which is a longer cable, meaning that this cable right here, the longer cable, goes underneath the intake manifold. You have to untape or remove this the cable from one of the sides. I didn't do it, so I can't really tell you guys how to do it, but there's probably videos out there that show you how to do it. The purpose of that is for the cable to go underneath the intake manifold, and it meets this connector, this one here, on this side back here. But we're not going to do that. We're going to reuse this right here, the hot earth cover, and then eventually in the future, if I feel like it, I just know that it's there. But you just got to be careful so you don't pinch the cables. But we're good to go. We're all plugged in. There's 2 bolts that hold it in place. It's nice and tight. Hope you guys liked the video. Let me know what you guys think by letting my daughter do the vlog. So I want to give a shout out, Fargo Killer. He did an amazing job on the hood. Thank you, appreciate it. Good looking out, came out very good, and he did it very quick. Another thing that I'm excited for, so the cop kit works amazing, guys. Definitely recommend it. It's a must. If you have an EVO, you have to do it. I can't wait to get tuned now. So now we're just gonna do oil change, alignment, and then we're gonna get it tuned right before shift sector, and we're ready to go pretty much. Anyway, another reason I'm excited, we're going to install these hood pins, actually, as you guys can see. Now, these hood pins are more like an old school thing. They do sell different ones, you know, like the black ones that are covered in fiber that are install like kind of flush. I like those. This is probably not my preferred style, but I'm saving a little bit of money doing it this way. It already has the holes on the hood. I don't want to mess it up. I'm just going to replace these ones with these new ones, which is pretty much the same thing. The cool thing with the EVOs, but what I like about it is that these holes are already pre-made. This hood actually was on a MR, I think, a while ago. But the EVOs already have the hole right here, so there'll be no drilling, no moving anything. It's already ready to go. The hole's already made, as you guys can see, right there. And it's gonna be secure, most importantly. So, very exciting day. That's why I was excited. Next thing we'll probably do is we're gonna go ahead and clean the K&N or the air filter with the K&N cleaner. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. I hope you guys like this one. Thank you guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.